Let's see how easy it is to load our Shopify store's unfulfilled orders into a Mixtable Shopify spreadsheet, where we can view and work with them, and, if we want to export to Excel and CSV. To start, we'll click the Create Workbook button in our dashboard and scroll down until we see the Unfulfilled Orders template. Here we are asked to pick how far back we want to load our orders when we create the spreadsheet. Keep in mind, this is only for the initial load. Any new unfulfilled orders that are created after the spreadsheet is created will be automatically added to it. In this example, we'll select that we want to see the unfulfilled orders for the last 1 month. And we'll click the Create Workbook button. Mixtable now creates a workbook with 2 worksheets. One to show our unfulfilled orders, and another to show the line items for those unfulfilled orders. And Mixtable immediately begins populating them with data. Our data has now loaded. Now, if any new unfulfilled orders are added to Shopify, they will be automatically synced into our workbook. This will happen even if the workbook is not open in your browser. We can see that new unfulfilled orders in Shopify are automatically loaded into our worksheet. If an order gets marked as fulfilled in Shopify, it will be automatically removed from our spreadsheet. Its line items will also be automatically removed. So a Mixtable spreadsheet can be your live dashboard of all your unfulfilled orders. The template starts off with a number of columns that are most used by our users, but you can add and remove ones at will. For example, we can remove columns we don't need. And we can also add new ones. To load data into new columns, we find empty columns with no data in them, and we click on their lightning bolt icon. Here, we are working with a line item worksheet, so we can load line item fields, or fields from the order to which the line item belongs, or from related objects. In this case, we'll load the customer's first name. In our second empty column, we'll load a related value. This is a special Mixtable ability to pull other related data that belongs to an object that is related to each line item. This can be product or variant data, along with product or variant metafields. In our example, we'll load the category of the product for the line item. Once we map our column, Mixtable immediately begins loading it with existing data. We can see that our product category name has loaded. Finally, if we want to export this data, we click the Export menu button option. And we can choose to export the entire workbook with all its worksheets and formatting to Excel. Or we can export the worksheet we are currently on to CSV. And that is how easy it is to load our unfulfilled orders to a Mixtable Shopify spreadsheet. Keep the spreadsheet up to date with new unfulfilled orders coming in from Shopify, and to export our data to an Excel or CSV file.